Well, hello and welcome from the streets of Melbourne. As you can see, I've got my cup of coffee in my hand, and I've actually just been asked a number of questions in relation to the recent weekly video that I actually just published yesterday. So basically, in that particular video, there was a bearish call, basically a bearish chart, and it's a drone shield. It's code DRO in the Australian markets, as you can see here. I'm just doing this on the fly whilst I'm actually sitting here at a cafe here in the streets of Melbourne. So here on a Sunday morning. So just thought on the long weekend, I thought I'd give myself a bit of a treat and see how things go. Respond to some of these queries that I've been getting from people in our community group who actually do have a position in drone shield, and I'm a little bit concerned in terms of their positions in relation to this. So the charts are basically suggesting I don't personally have a position in drone shield myself, but I'll go into this in a little bit more detail. But I did realise that I actually didn't really describe it much personally in the video. I did look back at it and I thought, well, hang on, I didn't actually go into all that much detail. I thought, well, as part of a trading quick shot, I'll go into it a little bit more detail as to what the actual detail was a bit more about. So go. Take it as you will. It's an unbiased opinion in relation to this, and just what the charts are basically showing in relation to this. So what does a potential bearish key reversal really mean, and what does it actually describe? So in relation to this is what it basically means. So if we take a look at what this red candle here on Thursday is all basically meaning overall. When you look at here to the Wednesday candle, what this essentially means is on the day, and I'll expand the actual candle for you so you can really see in essence what it essentially means. On the Wednesday, we actually had a close on that Wednesday at $1.35 per share. The next day on the Thursday, it opened, see on the top of the screen, it opened at $1.37, so we already had a gap up on that particular day on Thursday, above the close on Wednesday. In fact, if anything, it actually gapped higher than high on the Wednesday, so it went right above the total range on Wednesday. So it actually opened above the high on Wednesday. So it already gapped above the range. Then what actually happened during the day on Thursday, as you can see, is it actually went all the way up to $1.42.5. So it went right up, all the way up there, and then came tumbling down during the intraday as far down in the low as $1.26. So it went all the way down there before settling where the close was at $1.29.5. So that's essentially the whole trading range the entire day on the Thursday. That's essentially what basically happened during that day. One day. Okay, so that's everything that happened during that time. That's the entire range of that day on the Thursday. So that's essentially the whole situation over there. So that's basically the circumstance of us there. Now, that has triggered what is potentially a bearish key reversal. Now, the close on that day is less than the actual close on the previous day as well. So if I put that, let's put my coffee down for a tip, and I'm going to basically describe the whole circumstance. So we've got people driving it up and then driving it completely down. So we've literally got sellers in control virtually the entire day, pushing this price downwards throughout the entire day, all the way through the entire push down, going through well below the actual close of the prior day. So you've got fully bearish potential all the way down. It's actually even followed downwards the next day as well too. In fact, if anything, it's actually down the following day as well before making it big before a bit of a recovery to actually close at exactly the same price that it actually closed the day before. I'm talking about the Fridays actually here as well. And you'll also notice that there actually is a line there in terms of the volume profile line. at the $1.29.5 level. So this is an area where there is a lot of contention going on at this point in time. So a lot of buyers and sellers are basically sitting there trying to debate what's actually going on at this $1.29.5 level. Now, this is an area to basically keep an eye on next week. Remembering that we actually have a long weekend down here in Australia, really, at this point in time. So wait until opening of trade again on Tuesday, see how things go around about this point in time, whether or not all of a sudden you're going to get a rush of buyers coming in to push this price back above the $1.29.5, or it's going to keep on coming down below that $1.29.5. Now for the bulls, we actually do have quite a considerable area of interest down here as well at this level here. At the $16.9 level, it's not $1.17.5, $1.17 really in terms of actually rounding it off. That's an area of support at this point in time. If that doesn't hold, then it could potentially see the price level coming down to $1.00. That's an area of another volume profile area, which coincides, interestingly enough, it's the high of that particular day there of trade of between. That's one area of volume profile area as well, where there's a lot of contention. You can see a lot of contention there as well, in terms of a lot of chop around the area too. So a lot of interesting times ahead here for people who actually do own drone shipping. So going ahead, what do people who actually interested in drone shipping look out? Well, it's basically a lot of chop and turn around this $1.29.5 level area here, starters. A safe area, I suppose, or a safety area would be past this area up here. Once it gets past up here, you probably then be able to say, hey, all bulls are going crazy again, past the $1.22.5 probably even past this area here, and another area of resistance area here, and that area of interest there is the open here at $1.37. That area here obviously is what in terms of $1.17, and of course that area there at $1.08. This area failing here, that area failing there, you could potentially see it coming back here to that 96 area. So a lot of areas of interest here, a lot of volume profile areas there to really keep an eye on. I hope that clarifies everything in terms of what I was discussing in terms of the weekly video in relation to drone shielding. And that's where I'll leave it in terms of the trading click shot this time. If that helps. Okay, catch you again soon. Bye now.
And there you go. I hope you found that trading quick shot of some great value. Feel free to pop on over to the ASX Traders United Facebook page for further discussions in relation to this kind of content, as well as just general chats with the rest of our community as well. We'd love to see you over there. We also have a live competition that runs, and you can join in at any time there as well too. Feel free to also check out the other videos, links here as well too, and also links down below in terms of being able to join with us over at the ASX Traders United Facebook page. Look forward to seeing you then. All the best for the rest of your trading time, and we'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.